Good morning children. How are you? In the previous class we are starting block 22nd money. In that section what we have discussed, did you remember? How to count the money, how to make a change, then how to convert notes and coins, then rupee to paise, how to convert rupees to paise, how to convert, how much paise make 1 rupee? 100 paise make 1 rupees. Okay. Yesterday going for shopping, I just buying a bag with 200 rupees. A bag with 200 rupees and one box with 20 rupees. I just bag with 200 rupees and box with 20 rupees. Then how much money I want to give the shopkeeper? How it's fine? It's addition. So how much rupees? You just find out 200 plus 20. 200 plus 20 is equal to 220 rupees. I want to give 220 rupees to the shopkeeper. So we can do some problems based on this, like some word problems are there. So today we are going to learn next lesson 3 and 4. Some word problems are there. Different types of word problems we can do. Okay, take your content book. All want to take your content book? Then write the first question. What is the first question? Find the total cost of each set of items. Find the total cost of each set of the item. So cost means total amount. How much amount we want to give. That is cost. Okay. So you want to find the total cost. Write the question first. First question. Find the total cost. Find the total cost of each set of item. So from that a question, balloon with a balloon rupees 15 and pencil rupees 14. Question B, toy with a rupees 35 and pen rupees 10. Then question C, ruler with rupees 37 and eraser rupees 12. So you want to find the total amount. Are you ready to do? Okay, here first question, A question. The cost of balloon is 15. So rupees 15 plus, and pencil cost is 14. Rupees 14. Both are rupees, so you can add 15 plus 14. You know that how to add. Just arrange the numbers in column wise, then add it. One's place we want to start. 5 plus 4. Yeah, it's 9. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the total cost? Rupees 29. Okay, what is the total cost? Rupees 29. Next. Second, toy with rupees 35 plus pen with rupees 10. So what is the total amount? Find out. Huh? 35 plus 10. Find out the answer. Yeah, it's 45 rupees. 45. It's clear. Then question C. Ruler with rupees 37 plus eraser with rupees 12. So find the total. Did you get the answer? 37 plus 12. What is the answer? 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. So 49 rupees. 49 is the answer. Clear? Find the total cost means you add the amounts, you will get the answer. Clear this? Okay, write the next question, second question. Garima's father gave her rupees 200 Garima's father gave rupees 200 on her birthday. On her birthday. From that A question. She bought a bracelet for rupees 85. For rupees 85. A ring for rupees 58. And a pair of earrings for rupees 53. How much money did she spend? How much money did she spend? This is A question. Then B. How much money will be left with her? So here two questions are there. First you understand the question. One girl, her girl's father, Garima is the name of a girl. Her father gave 200 rupees for her birthday. So you got pocket money for your parents? Yeah. So she got the pocket money. How much rupees? 200. Then from that money she buying some things. What are them? Bracelet 85 rupees. Then ring 58 rupees and earrings 53 rupees. So, then the first question is, how much money did she spend? How much money did she spend? How much money she spent? How you get? Yeah, you find the total, you will get the answer. Then second question, how much money will be left with her? How you find that? Yeah, how much money with her? That minus how much money she spent. That is the answers. We can do some answer. So I hope that all are right the question. I won't write the answer here, so I just clean this. So what is the first step? What is the first step? How much money with her? How much money? Rupees 200. The cost of, what is the first item? Bracelet. Cost of bracelet. So you write cost of bracelet. And cost of ring. Then cost of earrings. Then total cost. Okay, what is the cost of bracelet? 85 rupees. Then ring rupees 58. Then earrings rupees 53. So how you get total? 85 plus 58 plus 53. Find answer. So this is the working column I do here. 85 plus 58 plus 53. 8 plus 5. Yeah, it's 13. 13 plus 3. 16. In 16 you write 6 here. 1 as a carry. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So what is the total cost? 196. She spent 190 rupees. Then how much money left with her? How much money left with her? How you get? She have already 200 rupees. Then from that 200 rupees she spent 196. Okay. She have 200 rupees. From that 200 rupees she spent 196. Then what is the remaining? Subtraction is there. So 200 minus 196. So 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we are taking from here. This 2 become 1. This 0 become 10. From this 10 we are taking 1 to here. This 10 become 9. This 0 become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the amount left with her? 4 rupees only. 4 rupees. Okay. Okay, you got the answer? We can do the next question. You write the third question. Okay, write the next question. Naveen buys 3 kites in 3 different colors. For rupees 200. 4, not 4. F-O-R, 4 rupees 200. kite is 4 rupees 78, and the blue kite is 4 rupees 54. Then what is the cost of the black kite? Okay, dear children, here Naveen buys 3 different colors of kites. Which are the kites here? Red color, then blue color and black color. 3 different color kites are. So the amount also different. The total cost of the kite is 200 rupees. Then 2 colors, 2 kites amount is given. You want to find the third kite's amount. So this is story problem. I already told you in story problem we needed the steps. Then you write the total cost of first number is 200. So you write the total cost of 3 kites. How much? Yeah, rupees 200. Then the cost of red kite. In red kite, how much rupees? Rupees 78. Then cost of blue kite. It is rupees 54. Total cost of red and blue kite is equal to rupees 78 plus rupees 54. How much? Add it in working column. 78 plus 54. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 132. Then we want to find the cost of black kite. So here total amount is given. Total how much rupees? Yeah, 200. So from that 200 we minus the amount of 2 kites. You will get the answer. So find out the answer. 200 minus 132. This 2 become 1. This 0 become 10. From this 10 we are taking 1 to here. This become 9. Here 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. So 68 rupees. The cost of black kite is 68 rupees. It's clear? Okay. The next step. Okay. Fourth question. Nick bought a tea packet for rupees 95. So he buy a tea packet with 95 rupees and coffee packet with 68 rupees. So 2 items he buy. One is tea packet and another one is coffee packet. What is the total cost of these items? So we can write the steps. The cost of tea packet. How much rupees for tea packet? Tea packet rupees 95. Then the cost of coffee packet rupees 68. Then total cost is equal to rupees 95 plus rupees 68. Find out. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 you write here, 1 as a carry. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So 163 rupees. So the cost of tea packet is 95 rupees and the cost of coffee packet is 68 rupees. Then total cost is 163. It's clear? Then write the next question. Okay, with your text content book, you just check your question. Here, read the cost. When I wrote in small letter because I want to write the answer here. So, I just write in small. You just check your content book. Otherwise, I will send post that questions after last of this class. Okay. So, read the cost of the item from the table. Item cost: cap rupees 52, scarf 50, belt 35 and tie 40 rupees. Then what will be the bill amount if you buy one of each of the items? Okay. So first answer, if you are buying each one, what is the cost? So how you get rupees 52 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 35 rupees 40. You find out the answer. Next, how much money? If you pay 200 rupees, because 200 means is equal to 200. Then how much money you will get back? So balance amount is equal to 200 minus here one total number is there. That number you want to minus. So 52 plus 50 plus 35 plus 40. What do you get? 70. Everyone got this answer? Huh? Okay. So here the total amount is 177. So balance amount. If you are buying these items with 177, you have only 200 rupees. How much rupees you will get back? 200 minus 177. Find out. 200 minus 177. 3, 2, 0. Yeah, 23 rupees. So balance amount is 23 rupees. Last question. What is the total cost of 2 scarf? So cost of 1 scarf is how much rupees? Yeah, 50 rupees. Then cost of 2 scarf is equal to 50 plus 50 or 2 times 50. Yeah, 100 rupees, 100. It's clear? Okay, then write the third question. The cost of 1 pen was rupees 10 and the cost of 1 pencil box was rupees 50. Divya bought 5 pen and 2 pencil boxes. The shopkeeper gave her a bill of rupees 100. Is this correct? If not, what is the correct bill amount? So we can find the bill amount. So first, cost of 1 pen. Rupees 10. How much pen she bought? Yeah, number of pens is equal to 5. Then cost of 5 pen is equal to, how you get 5 into 10. rupees 50. Okay, 5 pen cost is rupees 50. Then cost of one pencil box, rupees 50. Then number of pencil boxes, how many pencil boxes she buy? Yeah, 2 pencil boxes. Then cost of 2 pencil boxes, 2 into 50, it's become rupees 100. Then the total amount is equal to total amount. How much is equal to 5 pen cost is 50 rupees. Rupees 50 plus pencil box cost rupees 100. So rupees 50 plus rupees 100. Very good. Rupees 150. So here cost of one pen is 10. Cost of one pencil box is 50 rupees. Then Divya buy 5 pen and 2 pencil boxes. So how much money she want to pay? 150 rupees. Okay dear children, it's clear? Okay, today we have discussed some word problems based on money. How to find the total amount and how to get the balance amount. These are the topic we have discussed today. I hope all are clear this. Do all your workbook problem as a homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.